Okay, this is the Xiaomi Yi camera, and I will adjust the sharpness of the lens by twisting the lens. For that I have to take off the front cover of this camera. The front cover is visible, it's only till here. Okay, so let's take it off, this one, with a knife, and then I will plug in a micro HDMI cable into this connector, and the other end of this cable is connected to a monitor. The monitor also has a HDMI connector, this one. This is only an adapter because this is micro HDMI and the other end is mini HDMI. Okay, so we're using the smaller one. So let's take this one apart, take off the front cover. I'm going to use a knife. Okay, it's moving. You could eventually take out the battery, not to start it up. But let's see. Gently, not to break it. It's not coming off easily. This is the first time I'm taking this one off. Okay, it came off. So it has some elements like this. It's a little hook. This is the power button. Here's another element. Interesting. Okay, and this is the camera itself. And it has to have some glue. The glue is here. It's this one. I have to take off that glue and then the lens will move. Now it's not moving. I can't turn it. Okay, I will remove the battery. It's better this way. Now to remove the glue. It's all around. And it's pretty tough. It came off in one piece. The glue, another piece. So I'm pressing with my chest the knife. Look, another piece of glue. It's similar to hot glue. Another piece. It's not moving yet. It's not coming off easily, that's for sure. It's not turning yet. Okay, there is some more glue here. Okay, I just took off a few more small pieces of glue and now it's able to turn. How can you see that? Maybe I can take it off totally. Wow. The sensor is visible. Okay, so I took off the sensor, the lens. You can see the glue here on the edges. Okay, let's put it back. It has a thread. Okay, and meanwhile, let's see, will it work without the battery or not? Oopsie. How did this thing come out? Okay, now it's not moving. Let's see. This is the HDMI, the mini HDMI. It's plugged in and there is a small light there. There's nothing on the monitor. It's totally black. Let's see if I press the power button. Nothing happens. That small light is still there. This one. By the way, I turned off these LEDs from the software using the smartphone. Okay, so let's unplug this one, put the battery in, plug in the micro HDMI. The small LED light is back. Now let's press the power button, this one on the front. Now the light is shining. It's on even on the bottom. Okay, and the computer is not started. On the monitor I will press some buttons. This one is the VGA port on the monitor, HDMI 1 and HDMI 2. Okay, so I took out the battery and reinserted it, and this is how it looks. And that's me. I'm wearing a blue shirt. Okay, so I have to turn the lens until the image is clear. I'm screwing it in, that is to the right. Oops. Something moved, there's nothing on the screen. So yeah, battery is out. Put the battery back. Put the back plate back. Like so. Plug in the micro HDMI stuff. Voila. Okay, let's turn this one until the image is nicer. I have to screw it in because I unscrewed it. You can see the dirt on the lens. I hope it's on the lens and not on the sensor. There is something on the lens, as you can see. So I'm turning the lens and you can see the dirt moving on the lens. Okay, so let's clean it on this part. And it's the same. Weird stuff is in the middle. It's disappearing. Now it's a macro. It's a macro lens. Look, my finger. It's close and it's in focus. And look how close it is. It's around 5 millimeters. Okay, so that's a macro lens also. I'm screwing it, rotating it. The image is getting sharper and sharper. It's sharper. Now it's not as sharp. I have to rotate it in the reverse direction. How can I decide when it's sharp? Somewhere here. Somewhere. Now it's blurry again. Sharpness maybe depends on the distance of the objects also. The distance of the objects from the lens. It's hard to find the best spot. Okay, it's not moving too easily, so maybe I don't need to glue it back. Let's put this one back. Okay, let's try another thing. Let's place a closer object in front of the camera, and if I turn the lens, yep, now it's much sharper. So the sharpness depends on the distance of the objects. So you want to focus on a closer object, or you want to focus on a more distant object? You have to make a decision. So now, for example, the close object, let's place it even closer. Okay, so this HD 1080p thing is close and it's pretty sharp. But then the more distant object, that is my t-shirt, that one is not as sharp. So which one to make sharper? The closer objects or the objects which are further away? This camera is heating up, the Xiaomi. Let's put the cover back. Nice effect. Okay, and maybe you can move it from the lens itself. Let's see, that's not too easy. Okay, that's how to adjust the lens using a micro HD connector, which is connected to a monitor, and by taking off the glue from the lens and turning the lens clockwise or counterclockwise to make the adjustment. You have to focus either on a close object or an object further away. You can't focus on both of them. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching and bye bye.